Hey YouTube, Leopazzo in your mouth. That's a channel. Today we got a Mosaic backsplash, roughly 40 square feet, 12 by 12 mesh mosaic. It's a glass and stone, natural stone. Here we went with a no edger, no metal or no plastic edging. Just finished applying some silicone here, some clear silicone. The job's all finished, grouted, everything. Now the cover plates are back in. There you have it. Just cuff the window. We were deciding on going all the way up to the top here, but they just wanted to do the bottom half, which is fine. Still looks good. Cover plates all installed. There you go. This is the finished product of a mosaic tile, 12 by 12 on a mesh. Hope you like it. If you guys want to see more, let me know. Feel free to comment, subscribe, put it on a favorite. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys want to see more on actually how you do it, step by step, every stage. But this is the finished product. You can take a look at the other video for the before. Thanks for watching.